Friends, here we are talking about how LLMs process prompts. See, modern large language models are built using a deep learning architecture called the transformer architecture. See, suppose if we take GPT, Llama, Claude, Mistral, all are built using the transformer architecture. Anyway, as an AI application developer, our goal is not to build or train LLMs. Simply, our goal is to use them effectively in AI applications. So that's why here we will focus on understanding how an LLM process a prompt at a high level. Now let me introduce two important concepts before understanding about how LLMs process prompts. They are parameters and tokens. See here, parameters are about LLMs when they are built, when they are learning, when they are trained. So that's why again here also you don't need to worry about parameters. But the basic understanding is required. So here during training, the LLM learns by adjusting billions of numerical values called parameters. Simply, these learned parameters represent the model's knowledge. Let me try to compare this concept with our real time. So just take an example like a child is learning English. So generally how the child learns English? Over several years, the child learns vocabulary, grammar, facts, writing style, and reasoning patterns. But the child doesn't memorize every sentence they have ever read, right? Instead, they learn patterns that help them understand and generate language, right? In a similar way, LLM also acts. So simply, LLM stores what it has learned in billions of parameters. That's it. So simply remember that parameters represent the model's knowledge. If you see model names, generally model names at the end, you will see something like 3 billion, 8 billion, 70 billion, right? All those are approximate number of learned parameters. Generally, larger models have more capacity to learn complex patterns and often perform better on many tasks. Be clear, larger models, nothing but larger number of parameters. That's it. Now let me go with the tokens. See, LLMs process tokens, not plain text. If you remember, from AI application, we are sending our request as a prompt to LLM, but that is a text. But actually, the LLM core part cannot understand plain text. Instead, it understands and it processes tokens. So that's why inside LLM, a prompt is converted into input tokens. And LLM works on input tokens and generates output in terms of tokens only. Don't worry, we will see this with a simple diagram so that you will get more clarity. And before that, see here, one token is nothing but approximately 4 English characters, or one token nothing but 0.75 English words. Now let me explain about how LLMs process prompts with a simple diagram. See, we will have AI application and that will use large language model. So generally, a user send a request to an AI application and that AI application send user request as a prompt to an LLM. Be clear, this prompt may be exactly as user request or sometimes based on requirement it will be enhanced. So anyway, prompt consists of user request along with some additional information. Now that prompt is a text, but LLM cannot understand a text. That's why inside LLM we have tokenizer. So that tokenizer converts the prompt into tokens. Be clear, tokens are nothing but numerical representation of the text. Now LLM takes these input tokens and generate required response in terms of tokens by using a concept called inference. And here, as of now, you no need to worry about this inference concept. Actually, here LLM is generating the response in terms of tokens for input tokens with its knowledge. And that knowledge comes from parameters, billions of learned parameters. So, LLM uses inference to generate response in terms of tokens for our given input tokens. And here, LLM uses a concept called detokenizer to convert response tokens into human readable text. And that text final response from LLM will send to AI application. Now, AI application may directly send this generated response to the user, or sometimes it formats based on the requirement, and formatted response it sends to the user. That's it. So here, as an AI application developer, you have to understand about tokens. So simply, our prompt will be converted into tokens. Those are called input tokens. Now on those input tokens, LLM execute inference operation and generates some output tokens. And those tokens will be converted back to human readable text using detokenizer, and that response will send back to AI application. Be clear, you are not going to do any of these steps. Directly LLM will take care. Only thing is you have to understand about tokens. Nothing but our prompt will be converted into tokens and result also in terms of tokens, and finally that response will be converted back to human readable text. As an AI application developer, you have to remember about tokens. Why? Because hosted LLM providers generally bill based on input tokens and output tokens. So here, efficient prompts can reduce cost and also improve performance. That's why prompt is very important for AI application. So be clear, as AI application developers, always remember that LLM process tokens, not plain text. And in our upcoming lessons, we'll explore these concepts in detail with context window, temperature, top P, max token, streaming response, stop sequence, seed, and finally embeddings. Okay, thank you.